Hi, welcome back to my channel.
To earn money online using Google Sheets, you can explore the following method. Data entry and analysis. Many businesses and individuals require data entry and analysis services. You can offer your expertise in using Google Sheets to enter and analyze data for clients. Look for freelancing platforms or job boards where you can find data entry projects. In this video, I will show you how to enter data from a website to Google Sheet. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enter data from a website into Google Sheets. Step 1. Open Google Sheets. Go to your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Step 2. Create a new sheet. Click on the plus new button to create a new sheet or open an existing sheet where you want to enter the data. Step 3. Prepare the website data. Open the website from which you want to extract data. Identify the specific information you want to enter into Google Sheets. Step 4. Copy the data. Using your cursor, highlight the desired data on the website. Right-click on the selected data and choose Copy or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C or Command+C, to copy the data. Step 5. Paste the data into Google Sheets. Switch back to the Google Sheets window. Select the cell where you want to start entering the data. Right-click on the selected cell and choose Paste or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V or Command+V, to paste the data. Step 6. Adjust the formatting if necessary. Depending on the structure of the website data, you may need to adjust the formatting in Google Sheets. For example, you might need to split the data into different columns or clean up any unwanted characters. Step 7. Repeat for additional data. If you have more data to enter from the website, repeat steps 3 to 6 to copy and paste the remaining information into Google Sheets. Step 8. Save and organize. Once you have entered all the required data, save your Google Sheets document. You can organize the data further by creating separate sheets, applying filters, or using other features available in Google Sheets. That's it. You have successfully entered data from a website into Google Sheets. Remember to save your progress regularly to ensure your work is securely stored. Please note that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your browser and the specific version of Google Sheets you are using.
Stay tuned and give your feedback and also subscribe to our channel.